Hello everyone, in our final video of chapter 7, and we will talk about three types of equilibrium of a system. The first one is stable, and the second one is unstable, and the third one is the neutral. So if we consider this graph or elastic potential energy equal half kx bar of 2, and if we want to express on the graph, it will be like this, and which have a positive slope, okay? So if we want to study the graph, the previous graph which have a positive slope, and from the equation that we have on the previous video, which is had a negative sign, so let's consider stretching the graph. So the dx, or the displacement of it, will be positive. So the slope will be positive, as we say, and the external force will be negative. And if we consider it like a pole standing on a cliff, and we move it from here to here, and we release it, it will move to its equilibrium position, which is x equals 0, okay? And vice versa. So we can deduce from this the meaning of stable equilibrium, which is if we consider having a system like this. This is the equilibrium position, x equals 0, and we have a ball here, and we move it like this or like this. Then we release it. They want to move to their equilibrium position, unlike the unstable equilibrium that we will see in a few minutes, which have a graph like this, or an illustration like this. If we have a ball, it will want to move away from its equilibrium position, because this will be the equilibrium position. And this will be the graph of unstable equilibrium. If you notice that it is the opposite of the stable equilibrium. And this, if we want to study the graph, we will say the opposite of what we said in the previous slide of the stable equilibrium. So now let's talk about the neutral equilibrium, and the final one. That if we have a surface like this, and we have a ball, and this is the equilibrium position, x equals 0, it will neither want to get away or come to its equilibrium position if we move it here, because it is a stable horizontal surface. And that's it. We reach our final path in explaining chapter 7, energy of a system. See you in another videos with my colleagues.